What's up guys, welcome to another video where guess what, we took another loss. What a surprise. Shucks, let's get into the Bible verse of the day quickly. Also, we back tested 2 trades, I think both losses, and I'm done. I'm not taking any more back testing trades. My mindset is not right now, so I'll get into the Bible verse of the day real quick and then I'll get back to you guys. Alrighty, so Proverbs chapter 31 verse 30 says, "Charm is deceptive and beauty does not last, but a woman who fears the Lord will be greatly praised." So let's get straight into our billionth loss in MetaTrader over here. As you guys can see, auto scroll, we took a long here and then price dumped on us. It was the $11.27 win. So let's get into the charts. There we go. So as you guys can see, we were back at it again with the magnet strategy. I don't think it works, to be honest. I was trying to pull price up, but yeah, it didn't work, unfortunately. I was bullish on the 4-hour, but as we'll get into, I think I added a new rule. I don't really care about daily bias anymore, or something. I don't know, guys. I'm really wrestling with trading right now, and it's not going well for me at all. So we marked out Asia session highs and lows. And as you can see, we marked out previous days highs and some high probability liquidity. And when we opened in London session, we swept this liquidity to the upside. We broke structure on this candle. Then we filled a fair value gap on this candle, giving us an opportunity to short. However, I longed. I don't know where the thing went, but I longed on this candle. My stop loss below here and my take profit probably somewhere around here. Alrighty. This is because I thought we had a break and retest and a 5-minute break of structure on this candle right here and inverse fair value gap right over here. However, the break and retest of the Asia highs was not clean, as I'll show you guys in a picture later. We should have shorted today, as this liquidity and this session high was swept, and then price gave us confirmation, break of structure, bearish on this candle right here, and we filled a fair value gap on this candle. We did actually form an inverse fair value gap, but not really. So our ideal entry point would have been break of structure, fair value gap on this candle, entry here, stop loss all the way up here, maybe take profit for 1-to-1 around here. Alrighty, then maybe we would have had take profit 1, 2, whatever. And on GBP JPY, we never took a trade because on the 4-hour I was bullish as well. Alrighty, I had the magnet strategy. I think the magnet strategy did work today on GBP JPY. However, we marked out Asian session lows down here. Ignore all these lines. I was just drawing something up here. There you go, you guys can see that. Asia session lows, Asia session highs. Highs were broken and retested. However, I never entered because it didn't exactly touch the zone, which is actually okay. It's in my trading notes that if it comes really close and it still shows signs that it's bullish, I can long. But what I was actually waiting for was this higher time frame, how can I say it, equilibrium level to be retested. So our ideal entry would have been around here somewhere. Break of structure, who knows? Okay, we never took a trade today on GBP JPY. Let's go over it on the notes, the trade that we did take. $11.3 loss, minus 193. We're now 7% down on the account, and I'm not doing well mentally. The 4 hour was bullish, the 1 hour was bullish, the 30-minute was bullish, and we longed. This was a bad trade. I should have shorted. Price swept higher time frame liquidity, then gave a 5-minute reversal confirmation to short. Also, we shouldn't have traded because the interaction of the Asia session highs was not clean. We should have shorted. We forced the trade because of our daily bias. There's a new note. I made a new notes, and there's going to be a new video coming out soon. Haha, nice people. Entered on a 5-minute break of structure, fair value gap, and an inverse fair value gap. So let's go over the notes that we made today. This is an insanely long and boring video. Sorry, but you guys have to watch it. You have to watch it. You have to. Alrighty. Here's my new trading plan. Don't look at that. It's for another video. Let's go into our trading notes. Go all the way to the bottom. My neighbor is showering. Alrighty. So I added these notes. Stop forcing trades because of daily bias. Clean price action and setup is better than a daily bias. And be more patient in live markets. It's easy to be patient in back testing because you can just click next candle until all confluences line up and the setup looks good. Learn live patience. Also only trade when movement off of Asia highs and lows is clean. I added some pictures here. This is clean. A break and a retest like this. This is not clean. Break and it messes around in here, not really retesting. Alrighty, let's get into our back tests today. We back tested 2 losses, 2% each. First one we shorted, 4 hours bearish. The 1 hour was bullish, 30-minute was bullish. And I said, I don't know anymore, bro. It's a loss after loss after loss after loss after loss. We entered on a 5-minute break of structure, inverse fair value gap, and we shorted a long setup. That's also one of our notes. And the next trade I said, I just don't know how to trade anymore and I'm unprofitable. So, thank you guys for watching. My mindset's not good. I need to be watching some trading psychology videos or something. But no, I'm not doing good trading wise. Thank you all for asking and for watching. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.